Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching the Xampp control panel and turning on Apache and MySQL. Once those services show green, open your browser to http://localhost/phpMyAdmin. You do this because phpMyAdmin provides a visual interface. It saves time versus command line SQL for initial database creation. If Apache or MySQL fail to start, stop conflicting apps like Skype or IIS and restart Xampp. Make sure ports 80 and 3306 are available before moving to the next step. Once in phpMyAdmin, click Databases, type the database name, and select UTF-8MB4 General SCI for broad Unicode support, then create it. Next, go to Privileges or Users to add a new MySQL user. Choose a strong password and grant only required privileges to follow least privilege principle. You do this so applications don't run as root, reducing attack surface. After creating the user, flush privileges if needed and verify you can connect using those credentials from a local app or via the PH. To finish, import your schema. Click the database, choose Import, and upload the SQL file or run Create Table Statements in SQL tab. Once tables exist, update your application config with host 127.0.0.1, port 3306, and the new user credentials, then test queries. Make sure to back up the SQL and export after major changes. If something goes wrong, check Apache/MySQL error logs, verify my.ini for socket/port settings, and ensure your firewall isn't blocking connections before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.